Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on a Honda CRV key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR1616 battery. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth replacement. We'll start by showing you exactly where to begin prying open the fob. Now let's open the key fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into the narrow slot usually found near the key ring. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to force it. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it, noting its orientation. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Take your fresh CR1616 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces up. Then, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's sealed. After reassembly, it's crucial to test your key fob. Go to your Honda CRV and try locking and unlocking the doors, and perhaps even starting the car if it has a push-button start. Ensure all buttons respond correctly. If everything works, you're all set. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.